Hey, so we are at the beach today, and I'm just walking down the beach. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm just walking down the beach to find my husband. He took off walking to the pier, so I'm gonna go. My daughter's back playing in the sand, so we'll see the ocean. Hopefully you can see. Venice Beach, California. We come here every year. It's fun. It's only like 2-hour drive from our house. So it's nice to be here. We're spending the weekend. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Okay, I found him. Maybe I should have left him. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of introduction. That is my husband. His name is Eddie. Okay, he's calling me. And then my daughter is right there. We're playing football. She's 12. Her name is McKenna. So there's them. Okay, so now we are walking down the boardwalk.
S-H-I-T. Really freaking dinky dinky.
What is going on here? I'm tired. We are now at our hotel, and I think we're just checking in. I think we're gonna like take showers, get ready, probably go eat, and I think we're going to see a movie tonight. So I'll keep you guys informed. I'm tired. I fell asleep. Sorry. I fell asleep driving from the beach to our hotel, which wasn't really far, but driving, we passed so many Ralph's grocery stores. We don't have one where we live. We had one a long time ago, and then they closed it. And there's one right across the street from the hotel. I think we passed like 6. It's weird. Okay, I'm going back to our room. We were on our way out, and when we went outside, I decided that I might get cold, because I get cold. So I came back to get a sweater. And now I'm going back down to the car. We are going to go eat. I'm not sure where. My husband looked up a couple of restaurants here. And so we're going to go eat and then go see Guardians of the Galaxy, which I'm really excited for. And there is here it is, where I go. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's all we're doing. I'm sorry if this is kind of boring, but I'm new to this, so hopefully I'll get better. Yeah, off to eat. Okay, we're eating Mexican food. I have cheese enchiladas. Eddie has a ground beef wet burrito. And McKenna has beef enchiladas. It's the theater. We're here. Pretty cool fountain. Okay, so we're back in the hotel. We're just getting settled. In for the night. We saw Guardians of the Galaxy, and it was awesome. It was like the best movie. Really, really, really good. And we stopped at a Ralph's. That's across the street. It's a grocery store. Stopped there, got snacks. I got Starbucks, blueberry, what is it called? Blueberry mojito, lemonade tea. It's really, really good. So that's it for tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow.